place the device in a vehicle in a place convenient to you. Plug two black USB cords into a computer. Plug the red USB cord into a vehicle USB port. Run CFB program. If there is no information, reset tool by unplugging the power cord. Run engineering mode by holding two fingers on the top right corner of the screen of the navigation. Select a project you are interested in. In case of MH2P, open access to the device depending on the version of software and the region. If you have a version lower than the one in the project, update it. In this case, for MH2P US AUG35 P2711 open access version, you can download it from our server. Select Update. Select User Defined. In MH2P, check Swap, then Primary, and make sure Quick Boot is automatically checked. Go back and start update. Wait for the end. Select MH2P conversion V2 and click Enter. If you do not have credits, go to codefastbuy.com and buy them in Credit for Tools section. Eject a flash drive from the device and plug it into a computer. Copy a purchased file to a flash drive and plug it into the device. Credits will be added. Run engineering mode. Run CFB program. If there is no information, reset tool just like before. Select MH2P conversion V2. Select region change. Select an appropriate region. Select a region of navigation. Select Grace Node region. The device will restart. Insert an SD card with the software appropriate for the desired region. You can download it from our server. Select Update. Select SD2 source. Select User Defined and check All. go to the bottom of the list and start update. Run engineering mode by holding two fingers on the top right corner of the screen of the navigation. Run CFB program. If there is no information, reset tool just like before. Select Open Access, in this case MH2P ER AU G35 P2 711 Open Access. Start update. Once the update is complete, the connection with the unit will be active again. Run engineering mode by holding two fingers on the top right corner of the screen of the navigation. Run CFB program. If there is no information, reset tool just like before. Select MH2P conversion V2. Select Map Activation. Select Map Region. Wait until the program activates the navigation data. Select Reboot to normal mode. Insert an SD card with a map to a slot in a vehicle. Wait for the information on the screen. Perform the update.